For more than 3 decades, the Institute for Human and Machine Cognition has pioneered the science and technology at the boundary of where humans and machines meet. On April 11th, you'll get a peek behind the curtain at our open house during National Robotics Week. From artificial intelligence and robotics to health span, resilience, and performance, our team of experts collaborates across research disciplines to push the boundaries of enhancing human potential. As you tour our state-of-the-art facilities and meet our passionate researchers, you will gain insights into the profound social and scientific impacts of our work. At Open House, you'll learn how IHMC is shaping the future, one groundbreaking discovery at a time. Don't miss the chance to see the transformative potential of our research and be part of a community dedicated to driving innovation forward. Join us on April 11th.